Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to see a funny incident. An interesting event is actually. I will tell it in Telugu, an interesting event. Here what happened is, the friend, the person who wanted to write some railway examination, he peels off the upper portion of the skin, which is contained in the fingerprints, and attaches it to his friend and sent him to write the examination as a dummy candidate. But they were caught. How they were caught? Please remember. This happened on 22/8/2022. On 22/8/2022 in Vadodara or Baroda, the Railway Service, the Recruitment Board, RRB, they have conducted level plus examination in Vadodara. And actually our friend Mr. Manish Kumar Shambhunath, he has applied for the examination, but he was afraid of writing the examination. So therefore he has induced his friend Mr. Mayur or some Rajguru. Yeah, his friend Mr. Rajguru to write the examination. Of course, Rajguru is an intelligent fellow. And maybe for money or maybe for what, we don't know the reasons, maybe due to friendship, he agreed to write the examination. But the biometric verification is there. So they have the thumb impression should be tallied because it's a examination which involves the computers. So his slot is from 4:30 to 6 p.m. I think on that particular day in a college, right? So what this fellow has done is, actually he has peeled off the skin, right? He has peeled off the skin, that is upper layer of the skin. How he had done it? Actually, please remember, he sliced off, Manish, on 19/8, that is 3 days earlier, he sliced off the thick layer of the skin by actually keeping it in hot water, boiled water. వేళల్లో పెట్టాడు, నీళ్ళు పెట్టేప్పటికే బొబ్బ వచ్చింది. ఆ బొబ్బని స్లోగా పీల్ ఆఫ్ చేశాడు. ద స్కిన్ కేమ్ అవుట్ and he has nicely attached the so-called skin, that is which is having the fingerprints to the skin of his friend, that is Rajguru. So both of them came in Vadodara Express from their particular place, and ultimately they carried the so-called skin in a thin bag, polythene bag, and it is not known whether any chemical is used in it or not. Now the real scene comes. He came to the scene. So he wanted to apply for the biometric verification, but it's not tallying. No comparison, no tallying. He is confused. Ultimately, the invigilator, please remember, the invigilator, his name is also given, Akhilendra Singh. Akhilendra Singh, he actually wanted to help this boy. Why this biometric is not coming? Why his fingerprint is not tallying? His Aadhaar number is there. Then he suggested him, better you, because due to corona it may have been shrunk, better you get it cleaned through sanitizer. So he applied sanitizer to this so-called thumb, left thumb actually, due to which the layer got separated and this thin layer of skin fell down. The real fact came out. Then immediately they called the police. So the police, Lakshmi Pura police station, right? So they were called, they took him into custody, they registered a case under 419, that is cheating, 467 and 468, that is forgery, purpose of cheating, and they added Information Technology Act also. So Inspector Pooja Tiwari of Lakshmipura PS, he stated that a case has been registered against them. But the important point is, they are going to delve deep into the matter. So some intermediaries, definitely, they might have interfered, they might have lured or they might have induced this boy to peel off the skin. Otherwise, youngsters, they do not have that much of knowledge. So in view of the investigating officer, definitely it is not known whether any third party is involved or not. It had to be traced because this is a new MO. Without others' cooperation or without others' inducement, such things cannot be done. The intermediary will also be booked, if any. Of course, they are not all sure whether intermediary is there or not. So in this connection, it is a very bad incident. People should not resort to that. If you have got guts, if you have studied well, you can go and write. If not, next time you try. Why should you employ another person? So Rajguru, now he was also arrested. So main Shambhunath, he is arrested. So in a jocularly, I want to tell you, why should he resort to such things? If he goes to Chennai, he can get China material, fingerprint material. Even in Darsi also, it happened. In Andhra Pradesh, it happened. But anyway, we don't advise people to resort to that. If you dare or if you do such wrong things, definitely you will be caught. So this is an example. So don't do it, don't resort to the thing. Write the exam well, definitely you will come out with a shining color. Thank you.